crack open 2 Core 2021 booster packs. Farouk's Harbinger. Another land. Griffin Airy. Pestilent Haze. Wildwood Scourge. Fairy's Protege. Grasp of Darkness. Return to Nature. Sanguine Indulgence. Rousing Pteranodon. Spined Megalodon. Concordia Pegasus. Bone Pit Brute. Vidalian Arcanist. Land. Double Vision. Furious Rise. Fairy's Tutelage. Malefic Scythe. Saber-tooth Mauler. Fairy's Protege. Grasp of Darkness. Wall of Runes. Deathbloom Ballad. Snare Spinner. Bone Pit's Brute. Vidalian Arcanist. Alpine Watchdog. Crash Through.